How to use Shadrach Airy. Position the waist belt around your waist so that it is parallel to the ground. 2. Secure the waistband by fastening the Velcro and buckling it in place. 3. Position the front panel and get the baby. 4. Place the baby in a spread squat position, creating an M shape with their legs. 5. Secure their hands and lift the panel. 6. Place the left and right straps on your shoulder. 5. Ensure that the baby's airways are clear and that the carrier is adjusted. According to the baby's age and size, refer to settings 1 and 2. One thing that can be tricky about front carries in an SSC is clipping the chest clip which is on your back when you do a front carry. This video by certified consultant Jen shows on how to clip the chest clip behind you during a front carry. 7. Adjust the side straps. 8. Finally, perform a pelvic tuck to ensure the baby is in the correct position. It's easier to adjust because of the straps, the width of the panel or fabric at the back. Make sure it's wide enough, that way your baby is well supported and comfy. And we are done! Happy baby wearing! Additional tips: roll and secure the excess straps. Adjust the side straps to create space. And position the baby for breastfeeding. Then return the baby to their original position and kiss height once breastfeeding is complete. To use the Shadrach Airy using a small setting. For smaller baby, make sure the shoulder and leg support is in setting number 1. Refer to step-by-step position. Always make sure baby is well supported while inside the baby carrier. Always monitor the baby, especially newborn. Things to consider before buying: your baby's age or capability. Generally, this type of baby carrier is better suited for babies of 1 month to 1 year old.